On Friday, the chairman of China's National People's Congress, or NPC Standing Committee, Zhanshu, spoke during a video conference with the president of the Lao National Assembly, Dr. Saysomphone Phomvihane, saying the government of China has confirmed it will provide another 500,000 doses of Sinopharm Covid-19 vaccines to Laos. High-ranking leaders from the two parties and governments have met virtually to discuss cooperation in various fields in order to fulfill the agreement signed by top leaders on the master plan to build a partnership for a common destiny. The two leaders said they highly valued the cooperation between the parties, governments, and peoples of Laos and China as the two countries celebrate 60 years of diplomatic relations, with this year being designated the Year of Laos-China, China-Laos Friendship. In this regard, the heads of the two legislative bodies highlighted the construction of the Lao-China Railway, the Vientiane-Vangvieng Expressway, and other projects that are helping to integrate Laos into China's Strategic Belt and Road Initiative. Dr. Saysomphone told Mr. Lee about Laos' battle to contain the COVID-19 virus and thanked the Chinese party, government, and people for the provision of medical expertise, medicines, and medical equipment. He especially appreciated Mr. Lee's offer to provide 500,000 doses of vaccine on behalf of the Communist Party, government, and people of China. Dr. Saysomphone said he highly valued the relations between the two legislative bodies and discussed future cooperation. He called for the implementation of the agreements signed by the leaders of the two parties and governments as well. The chairman of China's National People's Congress, or NPC Standing Committee, Zhanshu, said China will support Laos with a new stock of vaccines to combat COVID-19, which has spread across the country in a second wave. The Chinese government is supporting Lao people in receiving more immunization by providing another 500,000 doses of Sinopharm Covid-19 vaccine. Laos received its fourth shipment of Sinopharm Covid-19 vaccine from China at the end of April as the two countries celebrated 60 years of diplomatic relations. Meanwhile, the Chinese government has provided Laos with 25 medical experts and 10 million Chinese yuan, or $1.5 million worth of medical supplies to help the country in its fight against COVID-19 last month. Laos received its first shipment of Sinopharm Covid-19 from China on 31st December last year, containing some 2,000 doses, followed by 300,000 doses in February, 800,000 doses in early April, and 300,000 doses in the fourth shipment in April.